Wait, what if I told you the next massive AI breakthrough literally has nothing to do with another chatbot? Yeah, seriously. Today in this explainer, we're diving into how Google is quietly taking NotebookLM and turning it into an absolute powerhouse workspace. We are moving away from novelty and straight into execution. If you want to future-proof how you work, research, and present, you absolutely need to see this. This update is going to fundamentally change your daily workflow. Let's be real. Dropping a massive 300-page report into an AI just to get a basic summary, that is officially old news. Sure, summary is nice, but it still leaves you with, 90% of the actual work? The real stakes right now are your time and your productivity. An AI that just chats with you is fine, but an AI acting as your dedicated research assistant, your lead data analyst, and your professional presentation designer all rolled into one, that is a total game changer. It literally shifts you from being a task doer to a project director. Section 1. The Big AI Breakthrough. Enter Gemini. Now, NotebookLM became famous for letting you talk to your PDFs, but Google is pushing it into the much broader Gemini ecosystem. And this shift is brilliant. We're moving from those isolated, one-off document summaries on the left straight into a fully interconnected project workspace on the right. Your research shouldn't just live in one isolated app anymore. Instead of just thinking, hey, summarize this one specific PDF, imagine firing up Gemini Notebook to execute an entire marketing campaign, draft a huge legal brief, or build a master's thesis from scratch. It's a fundamental mindset shift. You're orchestrating the whole shebang now. But what if you don't even have your sources yet? You've got this vague idea, like, say you want to research exactly how AI agents will change local small businesses over the next 5 years. But staring at that blank page is just paralyzing. You don't know which websites to read, which industry reports actually matter, or even the right keywords to search to find the gold. Honestly, this is where the research process usually just stalls out entirely, and you end up wasting hours just trying to figure out where to begin. Section 2. Conquering the blank page. To solve this paralyzing start, Gemini Notebook introduces agentic web research, which automatically gathers and organizes sources from the live web to build your foundation. But here's the next conflict. As any analyst knows, dealing with massive, chaotic data sets across a bunch of different formats is a total nightmare. Imagine you're tasked with analyzing a competitor. You upload a stack of financial reports, but their Q1 revenue is hidden in a table in one document, buried in a dense paragraph in another, and formatted as a raw CSV file for a third. If you ask a standard AI to compare those, it usually fumbles, hallucinates, or straight up gives up. Normally, you'd be stuck doing hours of manual Excel data entry just to get a baseline. So here is the fix. The AI actually uses a secure cloud environment to write and execute Python code in plain English. No joke. It instantly extracts, cleans, and visualizes that messy data for you. You don't have to write for loops, you definitely don't need a data science degree, and you don't need complicated statistics. The AI spots the mismatched data, generates the custom code, runs it in the background, and just hands you a clean, accurate chart along with a totally human-readable explanation of what the numbers actually mean. But raw data is absolutely useless if you can't present it. You've spent all these hours pulling together chaotic data, analyzing trends, organizing your thoughts. But the real stakes? You still have to present this stuff. Having beautifully organized notes and Python charts in a private workspace doesn't do you any good when your boss, your clients, or your students need a polished deliverable in 30 minutes. Research is only half the battle. The delivery is what you actually get judged on. Section 3. The AI Content Factory. Google solves this presentation problem with the brand new Studio feature, letting you create a master knowledge base once and reuse it endlessly. Just look at the sheer volume of output formats here. Your one single notebook can generate conversational audio podcasts, detailed study guides, and visual maps instantly. Need a pop quiz for a training seminar? It generates the questions and grading rubrics. Need to visualize complex relationships between 3 different companies? It builds an interactive mind map. You do the hard baseline research exactly once, and Gemini Notebook morphs that core truth into whatever specific format your target audience needs to digest it. Taking that even a step further, instead of emailing out some boring 40-page PDF report that, let's be honest, absolutely no one is going to read, you can generate a consumable vertical video. Think about the old way of doing this. You draft a script, hunt down stock visuals, animate transitions, record a voiceover, and spend hours editing. It takes days. Now, you start with your raw data, and you let the AI transform it into a ready-to-watch, highly engaging visual explanation in minutes. This is a total superpower for internal comms or social media. But of course, there's a catch. AI makes mistakes.
We all know that sheer panic when an AI hallucinates a critical fact, spits out way too many slides, or completely scrambles the order right before a massive meeting. Or maybe it just completely misses the tone of your company, or includes a deep dive section that isn't relevant to your specific stakeholders. If it locks you into a bad output and you can't easily fix it, well, the tool is entirely useless and you're back to square one.
Section 4. Keeping you in control. This is where editable slide workflows step in to keep the human firmly in the driver's seat. You let the AI conquer the blank page for version 1, and then you use your actual expertise to perfect version 2. But what if your spreadsheets and strategy docs change over a 6-month project? This is a massive, real-world headache. Say you update a Google Doc on Tuesday. Your coworker completely overhauls the financial spreadsheet on Thursday, but your AI workspace is stubbornly operating on old data from 3 months ago. Suddenly, all its answers and generated charts are completely wrong, and you might not even realize it until it's too late. Because think about it, an AI that knows yesterday's information isn't nearly as useful as one that can work with the latest version of your project. So the solution here is live Google Drive syncing. This ensures your AI knowledge base evolves dynamically. As your underlying source files change in Drive, those critical updates flow directly into your research environment automatically. The AI always knows the latest numbers, no more starting over, no more deleting old files, and no more re-uploading documents every single Friday. It is a living, breathing workspace.
Section 5. The future AI workspace. Because as you scale up, you need organizational tools to keep things running smoothly.
As you jump to 50 or 100 different projects, new features like collections, pins, and template copying prevent your workspace from turning into a chaotic, unmanageable mess. You just copy the perfect structure and scale it across your team. But the absolute most crucial point to remember, this entire massive ecosystem starts with just one single prompt. You are no longer looking at code execution or slide generation or audio podcasts as isolated, standalone tools that you have to daisy chain together. The friction of moving between a dozen different ops is completely gone. When you step back, you see how this builds into an unstoppable workflow. You ask a complicated question, it automatically retrieves the info. You need a complex calculation, it writes and runs the Python. You want an executive presentation, it generates one. You want a visual explanation for the team, it creates a video. It moves your data through an entire end-to-end factory. You aren't just chatting anymore. You are working alongside an intelligent system from the inception of an idea all the way to the final delivery. The AI race is moving blindingly fast, and this shift from a simple document reader to a full-blown execution workspace is a massive leap forward for productivity. So I really want to hear from you. Drop your answer in the comments below right now. Is Gemini Notebook becoming a genuine AI agent, or is this just NotebookLM with a few shiny new features tacked on? Let me know what you think, hit that like button, and I'll catch you in the next explainer.